wanting to be ready and realizing that your body doesn't respond like it used to can be frustrating. Many men go through this and end up believing there's no solution. However, there are ways to regain vitality and endurance, ensuring that energy is not lacking in the most important moments. A few simple adjustments can make all the difference and significantly improve performance. I'm Elena Silva, a urologist, and today I will show you what really works to boost energy and help you go further. Without worries, health habits directly influence circulation hormones and male potency, and certain substances can enhance these effects naturally and efficiently. If your endurance is not the same as before, there is no reason to accept it as final. With the right strategies, it is possible to regain control and ensure that your body keeps up with your will. I will show you exactly what to do to boost your energy and take your performance to the next level. Before we continue, check if you're already subscribed to the channel to keep receiving more tips on health and sexual education. If this topic is relevant to you, like the video and leave a comment. Type 1 if you agree with the information, or 0 if you have suggestions. Your participation helps bring even more useful content. What you put on your plate has a direct impact on your performance. The body needs quality fuel to maintain energy and ensure everything functions well when it matters most. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as strawberries, blueberries, spinach, and broccoli, help improve improv circulation, ensuring blood reaches where it needs to go. Tomatoes are also on this list because they contain lupine, an ally of vascular health. Without efficient circulation, there is no potency. And this is where many people go wrong. They eat anything and expect miraculous results. Healthy fats are essential for testosterone production, the hormone that maintains male desire and vitality. Fish like salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3s, which protect the heart and improve blood flow. Olive oil nuts and avocados are also part of this powerful group. A balanced plate is worth more than any magic formula. Another key point is reducing the consumption of ultra-processed and sugary foods, which increase inflammation in the body and impair circulation. Excessive alcohol consumption also disrupts hormone production and can reduce sensitivity in the intimate area. Small dietary adjustments bring significant changes. Eating well today means reaping the benefits tomorrow. Do you want to revitalize your sex life and strengthen your relationship bond? In the digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality After 60, you will find practical tips to reignite desire, overcome challenges, and deepen emotional connection. Click the link in the first pin, comment to see how small changes can transform your love life. The human body is mostly composed of water, and even slight dehydration can affect energy levels, circulation, and organ function for male health. This means less vitality and a lower ability to respond in crucial moments when the body is well hydrated. Blood flows more efficiently, ensuring that all tissues receive oxygen and essential nutrients without proper circulation. Firmness and endurance are compromised besides pure water. Some fruits help with hydration and circulation. Watermelon, for example, contains citrine, an amino acid that aids in blood vessel dilation, allowing for more efficient blood flow. Cucumber and celery are also allies, as they are rich in water and electrolytes that maintain the body's balance. Coffee can be a great ally in moderation, as caffeine stimulates circulation and enhances alertness. However, excessive consumption can lead to dehydration and affect sleep, which ultimately disrupts hormone production. Alcoholic beverages should be avoided in excess, as they reduce hydration and directly impact vascular function. Keeping a bottle of water nearby and making a habit of drinking throughout the day makes a bigger difference than many realize. A sedentary lifestyle weakens. The heart slows circulation and disrupts the production of essential hormones for male performance. The body was made to move, and the simple habit of walking daily already improves oxygenation, strengthens blood vessels, and reduces the risk of cardiovascular problems without an efficient circulatory system. Energy levels drop and endurance decreases. A strong heart pumps blood more effectively, ensuring that all tissues receive what they need. Strength training has a direct impact on testosterone production. Exercises like squats, weightlifting, and push-up stimulate the muscles and increase the release of this hormone, which is crucial for desire and performance. The more active muscle mass, the better the metabolism and overall vitality. Additionally, physical exercise reduces stress levels, which when high can inhibit libido and negatively affect performance. Aerobic activities like swimming, cycling, and dancing help keep the body active without putting too much strain on the joints. Stretching and yoga improve flexibility and enhance blood flow, contributing to better control and comfort when it matters most. Consistency is more important than intensity, and finding something enjoyable makes the process more natural and effective. Pelvic floor muscles are responsible for control and endurance during intimate moments. When strengthened, they ensure greater firmness and help prevent issues such as involuntary urine leakage. Over time, these muscles may weaken, but simple exercises can reverse the situation. Kegel exercises are an excellent example as they strengthen the body's foundation without requiring equipment or significant effort. The correct way to perform these exercises is to contract the muscles used to stop the flow of urine. Hold this contraction for a few seconds and then relax. Repeating this movement daily increases endurance and improves control. These exercises can be done sitting, lying down, or even standing, making the practice discreet and easy to fit into a daily routine. Another effective way to activate the pelvic floor is through Pilates and yoga, which include movements that work. This area without impact, exercises involving abdominal contraction and core strengthening also help, as they keep the region stable and well supported. Keeping these muscles strong reduces fatigue during intimate moments and improves control, leading to a more satisfying experience. Without discomfort, sleep deprivation directly affects testosterone production, the hormone essential for vitality and desire during nighttime rest. The body regulates hormone levels, repairs muscles and restores energy. Poor sleep reduces energy levels, increases stress, and weakens circulation, making performance less efficient. Those who sleep poorly often feel constant fatigue and notice a gradual decline in physical and mental endurance. Sleep quality is just as important as quantity, going to bed at the same time every night helps the body establish a natural sleep rhythm. Avoiding bright screens before sleep reduces interference with melatonin, the hormone that signals the body that it's time to rest. Dark, quiet environments promote deeper, more restorative sleep. Diet also directly influences rest. Heavy meals before bedtime can cause discomfort, while herbal teas like chamomile and passion flower help with relaxation. Avoiding caffeine and alcohol at night improves sleep quality and prevents frequent awakenings. A well-rested body produces hormones. Imbalance keeps the mind alert and responds better to stimuli directly impacting energy and stamina. Throughout the day, chronic stress releases high levels of cortisol, a hormone that in excess disrupts testosterone production and hinders blood circulation. When the body remains in a constant state of tension, the mind becomes overwhelmed, and the energy available for intimate moments decreases. This cycle can create insecurity and even fear of underperforming, which only worsens a situation. Managing stress doesn't mean eliminating it completely, but learning to handle it in a healthy way. Practices like deep breathing help reduce anxiety almost instantly. Inhaling slowly through the nose, holding the breath for a few seconds, and exhaling through the mouth activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxing the body. Taking small breaks throughout the day to breathe deeply improves focus and prevents tension. Build up. Another effective strategy is dedicating time to enjoyable activities. Walking outdoors, listening to relaxing music, or even a simple hobby like gardening can help reduce daily pressure. Social interaction also plays an important role, as sharing concerns with someone trustworthy alleviates emotional burden. The more balanced the mind, the more natural the body's response becomes, enhancing confidence and increasing readiness for intimate moments, desire and performance. Don't depend solely on physical factors, but also on the mind and emotions. A lack of communication can lead to insecurity, unrealistic expectations and discomfort, making intimate moments feel less natural. Many men avoid talking about their concerns, but keeping everything to themselves only increases anxiety. Expressing feelings and sharing doubts strengthens trust and improves connection with a partner. Effective communication is not just about talking, but also about listening, paying attention to what the other person feels, and once creates a sense of closeness, reduces pressure, and makes both partners feel more comfortable. Small gestures like an affectionate touch or a sincere compliment strengthen intimacy without needing words. Emotional connection is a powerful driver of desire and mutual satisfaction. Many couples grow distant due to routine or lack of time, but setting aside moments to be together without distractions makes all the difference. A quiet dinner, a walk while holding hands, or even a conversation before bedtime helps maintain closeness. When trust and connection are present, the body responds better without unnecessary worries, allowing everything to happen naturally and enjoyably. The way you manage your daily life directly impacts vitality and well-being. Sitting for long hours without movement reduces circulation, affects posture, and slows metabolism. ISM small routine changes, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking after meals, or engaging in a movement-based hobby, help keep the body active without requiring major efforts. The more the body moves, the better. It responds in all aspects of life. The mind also needs stimulation. Learning something new, reading about interesting topics, or playing games that challenge reasoning keeps the brain active and prevents a sense of monotony. A positive mental state reduces stress impact and improves social interactions, which in turn boost mood and self-esteem. Surrounding yourself with people who bring good energy contributes to continuous well-being. Laughing, often seeking moments of pleasure, and avoiding excessive consumption of negative news are also part of this process. Balanced emotions directly reflect on the body, making it more natural to feel energized and confident. Vitality is not limited by age, but by how each person chooses to live their day. Every daily choice directly affects your energy, stamina and performance. Diet, hydration, physical exercise, and even sleep quality play a crucial role in your vitality and well-being. Small adjustments make all the difference and help restore endurance, ensuring that the body keeps up with your will without limitations. Circulation, as you've seen, is one of the most important factors in maintaining strength and potency at the right moments. Now tell me, have you already included foods like watermelon and tomatoes in your routine to improve this aspect? Leave a comment. I'd love to know your opinion if this content has helped you in any way. Like the video, your support is essential to ensuring this information reaches more people and that the channel continues bringing valuable content for you. Here on the channel, you'll find more videos about male health and vitality with valuable tips to keep your energy at its peak. Watch the other videos and discover more ways to improve your performance and well-being. If you haven't subscribed yet, take a moment to do so now, so you don't miss any important tips. See you in the next video.